Hello friends, today I am going to show you how you can generate table of content automatically after finish your thesis or your report. If the report is short or the thesis is short, you can generate this table of content manually. But if the thesis and the report usually they are long, more than 50 pages or 30 pages, so it will be difficult to write manually. Those who know how to create the table of content, they also face some problem. Most of the time colleagues and friends ask me how we can get rid of this number that appear before the chapter number, like number 1 appear before the chapter number 1, 2 before the chapter number 2, and 3 before the chapter number 3. For this there is a little trick you have to follow. So let's begin with another copy. Let's think about it. We are done with the report of more than 50 pages, and now it's time to generate a table of content. So how you can generate a table of content automatically? Go to the home tab. There is a panel, a style panel. Here you can see there are so many options like normal, code, no space, heading, heading 2. So by using these options, we can automate our document and we can generate table of content automatically. How? Let me give the numbering before going to the further steps. First, the chapter I will give the number heading 1, and for the subheadings I will give heading 2. And before going further, I will do one thing as well. Select the heading and go here in paragraph panel. So with the drop down list, go to the list library and select this option that says 1 heading 1, 1.1 heading 2, 1.1.1 heading 3. Select this option. When you select this option, what will happen? The next heading will comes under it, like it will become a subheading 1.1 automatically. So now it's in your hand to which heading you want to create, heading, main heading or subheading. So let's begin. By the time you will understand what I'm going to explain here. Let's suppose this heading will be the next heading, like 1.2. So I will select this. This will be 1.3. I will select this. This will be heading number 1.4 and 1.5. But for this heading, because this is a subsection, I want to give number 1.5.1. For that, I will go further down and I will select this. Whenever I create or I use the option, another option create, if you want to create another subsection, you have to use this number. So I will give this heading section 1.1 or 1.5.1, 1.5.1.1. I will give this just to show you. Okay, for the chapter 2, the same. I will give heading 1 to this, heading 2.1 to this, heading 2.2 to this, chapter 3, heading 3.1 to this, and then the bibliography chapter 4. Now there is a tricky part. I don't want this number appear before my chapter section or chapter. How you can get rid of this? Go here next to this heading, hit enter, and when your cursor is here, go in the paragraph panel with the drop down list. Select the second last option, define new multi-level. Here you see before this number, enter formatting or for numbering. Here before 2 you have to write CHAPTER chapter space, and here in the text indent make it 0 and apply this all level, set to all level, and okay. So you see I don't want this, I just created just to trick the document. So if you want to give this chapter any name or any heading, you can do it. If you don't have any name or you just want to say chapter 1 and start writing, so you can do it. Same you can do. What happened here? There's something happened. I can correct this first. Okay, this is good. And if you have the name of this chapter or heading, you can give it, or you can leave it like this. So everything is good now. Now I want to create, or one thing more, you can also modify these heading. Like I want to modify, I will go here in this panel, right click on it, go to modify, make it Time New Roman, and that, because it's a main heading, I will give it 16, bold and black. Okay. To the second heading, I will go here, heading 1.1, modify, formatting, Time New Roman, text or heading 14, bold and black. And to the subsection, I want to make, wait, there's something wrong. Control Z, okay, right. Select this, and then modify. Go here, Time New Roman. This will be 12, it's good, bold, black. Okay, for this only make it black, nothing else. Okay, done. I hope so. Yes, it's done. So you can also modify these headings, and if you modify this heading, it will automatically apply to the same headings. Like it is 1.1, this will apply to 1.2, 1.3 and 1.4 and 1.5. when you make any change in 1.1.1 level, all the headings fall under this selection will automatically update it. Now it's time to create a table of content. For the table of content, go to the top, go in the reference section, and to the extreme left you will see there's an option, the table of content. Go here or select any. Let's go with the first one. Now tada, you see before the chapter 1 there's no number. So this is how you can create your table of content automatically, and you can modify this as well. You can make it to the center, you can write it before table of content, you can make it black or blue, whatever you want. So I hope you like this video. Bye bye.